Tired of that pesky Photoroom watermark ruining your perfect photos? Let's ditch it in under 90 seconds. First, the legit way. Photoroom offers a Pro subscription. This unlocks watermark-free exports and gives you commercial usage rights perfect if you're using the images for business. No budget, no problem. Head to your browser and search for Watermark Remover online. Several free tools exist, just be mindful of their terms and conditions. Upload your Photoroom image to the chosen tool. Use the selection tool, usually a brush or rectangle, to carefully highlight the watermark area. Let the tool work its magic. This might take a few seconds. Different tools use different methods to remove the watermark, so results can vary. Examine the result closely. Sometimes you might see slight blurring or artifacts where the watermark was. Don't expect perfection with free tools. For minor imperfections, use a free photo editing app like Snapseed or Pixart. The Clone Stamp tool can seamlessly blend the area to remove any remaining traces. Remember, using Photoroom images commercially without a proper license might infringe on their copyright. Always check the terms of service. That's it. You've successfully removed the Photoroom watermark. Explore the links in the description for Pro subscription options and awesome free editing tools. Subscribe for more quick tips.